Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing the DJI Mic 2. This is one of the best wireless mics for content creators, vloggers, and YouTubers. I'm going to show you what comes in this box and how it looks. I'm going to share my first impressions, so stay tuned for my future videos where I test it on my Sony camera, on my DIY projects. I also want to give a quick shout out to Isaac J. He was the one that introduced me, told me about this microphone. He also has a YouTube channel, so check him out. I'm going to put it in the description of the video. Again, his name is Isaac J. Good looks, bro. Thanks for the mic. Um, as you see in the video, I'm gonna unbox everything. I'm gonna take everything out the box. I used to use a gaming headset to try to do my voiceovers, but this connects right away. I have no issues, no problems. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but I feel like for what it does, definitely is well worth it. Not only I can do voiceovers, but I can also talk while I'm on video, and I could be able to interact with you guys while I'm shooting the video. So that's definitely another key plus about this mic, that I could do voiceovers and I could be able to talk while I'm on video with you guys. So thank you guys for taking interest on watching my videos. If you want me to do more unboxing on tech or tools, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely gonna be upgrading my tech, so I can definitely do some more unboxings. And please subscribe. That'll definitely help me out. See you next time.